Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to introduce to you our brand new release of Produmex WMS 2026.04. In this version, we are excited to share the latest updates. We focused on thorough bug fixing to make the system more stable and reliable. Serial numbered picklist lines are now consolidated in mobile packing, making packing faster and easier. We also improved SQL performance in the Adhoc Picking flow, speeding up internal queries without changing how the process works. Let's take a closer look at all these updates. Support scanning of multiple SSCCs when receiving identical logistic units. Produmex WMS now allows operators to scan multiple SSCCs for identical logistic units. Each unique SSCC is stored and assigned to a separate logistic unit. If fewer SSCCs are scanned than units, the system can automatically generate the remaining SSCCs. From a customer perspective, this improves traceability by keeping each logistic unit's original SSCC, reduces errors during receiving, and supports real-world scenarios with partial or mixed SSCC inputs. Let's see the behavior. If no supplier SSCC is scanned, the system generates SSCC numbers for all logistic units. When the number of scanned SSCC labels matches the number of identical logistic units, the WMS proceeds to the next screen. If fewer labels are scanned than units, the system warns the operator, who can either go back and scan the remaining labels, or continue and let the system generate SSCC numbers for the rest. Note that if the same SSCC is scanned more than once, it is ignored and does not increase the count. Consolidate serial numbered picklist lines in mobile packing. Now, mobile packing can consolidate these lines automatically, making packing faster and easier for the operator. Picked serial numbers can now be handled in a single step when all other item attributes match, including batch, best before date, second batch, and quality status. This improvement means faster packing, fewer unnecessary steps, and a better overall operator experience. This update introduces an internal performance improvement for the Adhoc Picking flow on SQL Server databases. It is especially beneficial for large datasets and high-volume warehouses. With this improvement, SQL Server customers can expect significantly better performance, reduced response times, and improved scalability and efficiency for their operations. It's important to note that this is purely a performance enhancement and does not change the functional behavior of the Adhoc Picking flow. Just a friendly reminder, the biggest impact of this release is bug fixing. Our primary focus was on addressing and resolving issues throughout the system, reducing errors, improving stability, and providing a smoother, more reliable experience for our customers. According to our release roadmap, our next version will be 2026.06 to be released at the end of June 2026. Here you can find some useful links and information on our brand new release. You can stay up to date by visiting the following sites for Produmex WMS related news and articles. This concludes our introduction to the 2026.04 version of Produmex WMS. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much and please stay tuned for our upcoming videos.